Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Locally transmitted malaria made U.S. return in 2023. Break. After a 20-year absence, there were 10 cases of locally transmitted malaria in the United States in 2023, according to a study published online October 6 in JAMA Network Open. Break Timothy Andavita, MD, from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in Atlanta, and colleagues investigated why 4 outbreaks of domestic malaria occurred in 2023, May to December, after 20 years with no locally acquired cases. The researchers identified 10 patients, mean age, 39.5 years, 7 male, from Florida, Texas, Maryland, and Arkansas with locally acquired mosquito-transmitted malaria and 783 Anopheles spp mosquitoes across 4 states. None of the identified patients had a recent history of international travel or blood-borne exposures. Outbreak cases had epidemiologic links within state but not across state lines. In Florida, P. vivax was detected in 3 Anopheles crucians. All Florida P. vivax cases shared the same Plasmodium strain. However, the Texas and Arkansas P. vivax cases were genetically distinct from each other and from Florida's cases. All 9 P. vivax strains had genetic signatures consistent with origin in Central and South America, while Maryland's P. falciparum parasites were consistent with African origin. The outbreaks were contained. This basically is showing a general trend, which is as the Earth gets warmer and as the climate in the United States becomes more amenable to the main vector of malaria, which is the Anopheles mosquito, we are seeing more potential for endemic transmission, or transmission within the United States, of malaria. Eric Choape and and Plusm, A, MD, from the Center for Global Health at Northwell Health, said in a statement. Abstract/full text. Disclaimer, statistical data in medical articles provide general trends and do not pertain to individuals. Individual factors can vary greatly. Always seek personalized medical advice for individual healthcare decisions. And copy, 2025 Health Day. All rights reserved. Ad as a preferred source on Google. Read this next. Stronger grip strength protects against obesity-related outcomes. Strong grip less than /speak. Speak strength may protect against obesity-related complications, according to a study published online October 15 in the Journal of. Too much, too little sleep tied to overactive bladder risk. The risk for overactive bladder, OAB, is associated with both short and long sleep duration, according to a study published online September 17. Recommendations developed for managing heart failure in pregnancy. Recommendations have been developed for managing heart failure in pregnancy and published online September 22 in a Society for Maternal Fetal Medicine. More news resources to MedWatch. Drug alerts daily. Med news for health professionals. New drug approvals, new drug applications, drug shortages, clinical trial results, generic drug approvals. Subscribe to our newsletter. Whatever your topic of interest, subscribe to our newsletters to get the best of drugs.com in your inbox. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.